Dictionaries in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. What is the meaning of dictionary in Python programming language? Simply, dictionary is an unordered collection of key-value pairs. So, when do we use the dictionary? In general, a dictionary is used when we have a huge amount of data. Simply, it is optimized for retrieving data. And in Python programming language, dictionaries are defined or declared within braces or curly braces, and each element in the dictionary in the form of key-value pair. Each item has its key and its value, and also key and value can be of any type of data, exactly as follows. We have a dictionary called newd, and it has two items. The first item key is 1 and its value is first value. The type of the first key is integer data type 1 and the type of its value is string data type. Also, the second item key is the second key inside double quotes, as you can see, and its value is 5. And you can see that all the items surrounded by curly braces. This is the main syntax or the main formula of the dictionary in Python programming language. And the type function after that to get the type of the dictionary called newd. This process is very easy and simple. Okay, how can we access or get any value we want from this dictionary? You can access or get any value from inside the dictionary by using the key name for that value. Just by typing the dictionary name followed by the key name inside square brackets. This is the way to get or access whatever value we want from the dictionary. But if you use this way and type a key name that doesn't exist in the dictionary, you will get an error. As you know, there is no key called 3 in the dictionary that we created, so we get key error. That's it, very simple. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.